Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford Focus here on a 2019-2020 plate. Just doing the rear stop lamp on the driver's side rear. I'm going to show you which one it is exactly. Can you switch the lights on, please? Position, yeah. That's lovely. As you can see, they're both working. Here you've got this one out, so that's what we're going to replace. It is a 382 bulb, which can be found in, the link will be found in the description as well. Can you press the brakes now? If you look on this side here, that there is working, but this one isn't. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Right, lights off please. I've already removed the cover. This cover goes across here, so it all kind of slots in to these little gaps here. And then you've got this bit here, which goes across there. Okay. Now the key feature thing on this one is that little screw there, and then there's one on the top. Make sure you remove both of them, otherwise this light ain't gonna come out. And then there's that little lock there, which you don't need to worry about for the minute. So what I do now is undo the first one. Make sure you don't drop it as well, otherwise you're gonna be in big trouble. So you take it out, and then you've got the top one here. What you could do is, when you unscrewed this, not all the way, you could just push it in, wiggle, wiggle, push it in to make sure it loosens up a little bit. Right, that's out. Now that there, I was saying, don't worry about it because it's got nothing to do with the light. Here we go. Once you got it out, all you then do is gently pull the whole thing out. So this is it. It goes across there. And then that's the bulb we're replacing. So if you did want to replace the indicator as well, which is right across there, it's a 581 bulb, you can do that. Otherwise, we only need this one here that needs replacing. Right, twist that to your left, take the whole thing out, the bulb holder. So we're going to replace the bulb now. Just get one of the lads to get me the bulb. Right, get the bulbs in there now. So remember this seal. I'm going to put it back together. This will only go one way as well, so make sure you get it in right. So I need to now make sure I get it in right. So okie dokie, here we go. It's like basically this. So then twist it to your right. Job done. You slot it through the gaps here, line it up, and then you line this up as well. Oh, first you line this up to the holes, and then you line the back up. Brilliant. Now we're just going to check, see, make sure they're working. Can you press switch the lights on please? Right, lovely. Press the brakes. Now you can see that there is working, this one here is working, this here is working, and that one there is working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. Turn the lights up please. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. I'm just going to put everything back together so you guys don't need to watch this. We know the bulbs are working. All you got to do is just remember how you take it out. That's how you put it back in as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.